In this video, we will discuss tips for Dell Unity Deploy D-UN-DY-23 exam and share some practice exam Q&As to test online. There are 4 tips to prepare for D-UN-DY-23 exam. Before taking this exam, you should know Dell Unity Deploy D-UN-DY-23 exam overview. It has 6 topics contained in D-UN-DY-23 exam. You should know each point thoroughly. Study online D-UN-DY-23 practice exam Q&As from Cert 007. Question 1. What is the role of protocol endpoints in Dell Unity XT VMware storage provisioning? A. Enable transparent host attach operations to snapshots of volume data stores. B. Manage host 10 workload balance between multiple paths to the VMware data stores. C. Establish a data path between the SG host and the respective volume data stores. D. Provide a write-consistent view to the host when accessing multiple VMware data stores. Question 2. What is the benefit of Dell Unity XT dynamic pools? A. Enables throughput and bandwidth throttling. B. Improved access to data residing on the drive tiers. C. Protects written data from modification. D. Reduced time to rebuild a failed drive. Question 3. Which operation can be performed from the FastVP settings section in the Unisphere settings window? A. Enable scheduled data relocation for a specific pool. B. View the data relocation progress between tiers. C. Exclude the pool from the data relocation schedule. D. Modify the data relocation schedule at the system level. Question 4. A storage administrator is provisioning file storage on a Dell Unity XT system. What are the ordered configuration steps? A. Configure the NAS server, then the file system, and then the share. B. Configure the file system, then the share, and then the NAS server. C. Configure the share, then the NAS server, and then the file system. Question 5. Which feature can be configured for a Dell Unity XT file system NFS share? A. Access-based enumeration. B. Protocol encryption. C. Host access level. D. Distributed file system. Question 6. What is a characteristic of FastVP? A. FastVP optimizes data placement by moving 1 GB slices between disk tiers. B. FastVP data relocation runs in the background at all times once it is enabled. C. Users can set the FastVP data relocation rate. D. Users can enable or disable FastVP at the LUN level. Question 7. Which Dell EMC Unity storage resource allows modification of its block size during creation? A. V-Volume File Data Store. A. Block Data Store. B. V volume block data store. C. NFS data store. Question 8. What features are available with Dell EMC Unity VSA? A. Synchronous and asynchronous replication. B. Fiber channel and fast cache. C. Data at rest encryption and vVols. D. Fast BP and asynchronous replication. Question 9. Which step must be completed prior to performing the initial configuration of a Unity VSA system and creating the first storage pool? A. Create an SC host profile. B. License the system for NFS and SMB support. C. Add vDisks to the storage appliance. D. Install license keys for thin provisioning. Question 10. When the Loon snapshot attached to host operation is performed, what does the Unity system optionally do before beginning the attach process? A. Creates a snapshot of the Loon. B. Detaches the host from the snapshots of any other Loon. C. Creates a copy of the snapshot. D. Deletes all other existing snapshots of the Loon. Why choose CERT 007 study material for your preparation? Thank you for watching. To get more questions, visit https://www.cert007.com/